Hello and welcome to the second and final match in the semi-finals of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Marlie Mount Primary from St. Catherine up against George Headley Primary from St. Andrew. I am your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. George Headley Primary won. They decided to have Marlie Mount Primary play first. So Marlie Mount Primary, we begin with you with Bible knowledge. In which book of the Bible is the story of Nebuchadnezzar's dream first told?
Daniel.
That's right. George Headley Bible knowledge. Which Pharisee who visited Jesus in the night story is told in the book of John?
The Pharisees came to Jesus by night. Rabbi. The same came. Rabbi.
Jeroboam.
That's incorrect. It's Nicodemus. Marlie Mount science. Which gas is absent when biogas is produced?
Carbon dioxide.
That's incorrect. It's oxygen. George Headley science. What is the plant material biofuel used to produce?
Food.
That's incorrect. It's heat. Marlie Mount Jamaican affairs. It's a visual question. Team, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Shahidi Robinson. Shahidi Robinson.
That's correct. George Headley Jamaican affairs. Visual question for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sophia Fraser-Binns.
That's incorrect. It's Marissa Dalrymple Philibert, MP. Marlie Mount, English language. Spell jaundice.
Jendice.
That's incorrect. It's jaundice. Jaundice. George Headley, English language. Spell syringe.
Yeah, spell?
Yes. Syringe.
That's correct. Marlie Mount television, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Ice Cube.
That's incorrect. He's Malcolm Jamal Warner. George Headley television, visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify the actress.
Kerry Washington.
That's incorrect. It's Keisha Knight Pulliam. Marlie Mount general knowledge. Who is the president of India?
Joko Widodo.
That's incorrect. It's Ramnath Kovind. George Headley general knowledge. Who is the president of Indonesia?
Giorgio Napolitano.
Giorgio Napolitano.
That's incorrect. It's Joko Widodo. Social studies for you, Marlie Mount. In which Jamaican parish is Dean's River?
Westmoreland. Westmoreland.
That's correct. George Headley social studies. In which Jamaican parish is the Spanish River?
St. Catherine.
St. Catherine.
That's incorrect. It's Portland. Marlie Mount music. Which international artiste released the single Havana in 2017?
Camila Cabello.
That's correct. George Headley music. Which international artiste released the single Attention in 2017?
Selena Gomez.
That's incorrect. It's Charlie Puth. Marlie Mount mathematics. A rectangle with a length of 12 meters has a perimeter of 46 meters. What is its area?
meters.
132 meters squared.
That's correct. George Headley, mathematics. A rectangle with a length of 14 meters has a perimeter of 44 meters. What is its area?
210 meters squared.
210 meters squared.
No, I am sorry, that's incorrect. It's actually 112 meters squared. And that brings us to the end of section 1 with Marlie Mount Primary on, I believe it's 5 points, yes, and George Headley Primary on 1 point. Now, before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for our kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, select friends with common goals. You can study together to achieve your objectives, and you can also play together for fun. Stay with us. TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2017 continues after this.